Are you ready for a drone that might just break the laws of physics? Or at least bend them a little, because DJI is about to do something truly wild. After months of speculation, subtle hints, and one lucky mountain biker's viral video, we now have a clear look at what's shaping up to be the most exciting ultralight drone in years, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Mark your calendars. August 7th, 2025 is the big day. But before that curtain officially rises, let's dive deep into why this tiny drone could make a massive impact. Let's start with what makes the Mini 5 Pro such a big deal, even though it weighs under 250 grams. That weight isn't just for bragging rights, it's a regulatory sweet spot. In many countries, drones that stay under this limit are free from stricter aviation rules, which means less paperwork and more flight time. But here's the kicker. DJI isn't just settling for compliance. They're aiming to cram pro-level performance into a featherweight frame. Imagine squeezing a Ferrari engine into a go-kart and still making it street legal. That's the kind of innovation we're talking about. Now, let's talk first impressions. Strangely enough, the clearest look at this drone didn't come from DJI itself, but from a Chinese mountain biker who unintentionally filmed it mid-flight. No prototype labels, no bulky test rig. This was a polished, production-ready drone. With DJI's signature foldable design, sleek, compact, and apparently very stealthy. But the real jaw-dropper may be the first mini drone to feature LiDAR sensors. Yeah, LiDAR on a Mini. If you're new to LiDAR, think of it like giving your drone laser vision. It maps out its surroundings using precise laser pulses, allowing for high-level spatial awareness. This means next-gen obstacle avoidance, better flight navigation in tight or dark spaces, and a serious upgrade in terrain following, shooting near trees, buildings, or during golden hours. Moody shadows, no problem. It's like giving your drone a sixth sense, and one that's usually only found on DJI. As much beefier siblings like the Mavic 4 or Air 3, but that's not all DJI's tinkering with. According to leaks, the Mini 5 Pro is coming with vented motors to improve cooling and airflow, which, for drone pilots, means less worry about overheating and more time capturing that perfect aerial shot. We're also expecting a bigger battery, potentially extending flight time up to 40 minutes. That's a huge jump from the 30 minutes on the previous Mini 4 Pro. In drone time, 10 extra minutes is like getting an extra hour at your favorite coffee shop before closing pure gold. And now, the camera, oh boy. This tiny drone might come equipped with a 1-inch sensor, which is basically like strapping a DSLR onto a hummingbird. Better dynamic range, richer colors, and low-light performance that could put some flagship phones to shame. There's also talk of 6K video recording, buttery 3-axis gimbal stabilization, even vertical shooting for all the Instagram and TikTok creators out there. Did it if it's not vertical? Did it even happen? On the control front, DJI's taking things up another notch. The Mini 5 Pro could feature a brand new transmission system that outperforms the OcuSync 4.0 seen in the Mini 4 Pro. Translation: longer range, stronger signal, and minimal lag even in dense cities or deep forests. Whether you're filming a scenic coastline or flying through a construction zone, you're going to feel a whole lot more in control. Design-wise, DJI's keeping it familiar but refined. We're expecting the iconic foldable frame with tweaks in aerodynamics and materials that improve both heat dissipation and durability. And here's a fun twist. Leaks suggest new color options, possibly black or navy blue. So, if you've ever wanted your drone to match your outfit, this might be your moment. Of course, all these upgrades aren't coming for free. Yeah, the expected price is between $700 and $800, placing the Mini 5 Pro in the premium serious hobbyist or semi-pro category. But let's be real. For what you're getting in such a compact package, that's still an incredible value. Plus, DJI might sweeten the deal with launch bundles. Think extra batteries, ND filters, and spare props right out of the box. So, what's next? Well, August 7th, 2025 is when DJI is expected to unveil the Mini 5 Pro officially, with a full release likely coming in early September. If even half of these rumors prove true, This drone won't just be an upgrade, it'll be a milestone in ultralight drone evolution. Whether you're a seasoned aerial filmmaker or just getting started, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could very well be the drone to watch this year. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop in the drone world. And hey, if you're still flying with the Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro, check out our comparison videos linked in the end screen. Trust me, you'll want to see how far we've come.